everyone, Tim Morissette with Coldwell Banker, and I'm so excited because we're in front of our great new listing at 17 Camarin and Foothill Ranch. This is a wonderful neighborhood. This house features 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, a loft. It's solar powered, so your electrical bills are about 0. It's on a large private pool-sized backyard, and it has a downstairs bedroom and bath. You're just gonna love this house. Let's go take a look inside. So as you walk through the double door entry, which I just love, you've got beautiful tile floors, brand new carpeting throughout, new interior paint. The formal living room and dining room here with 30-foot ceilings and loads of windows bring in natural light that you're gonna love to be in. You've got a sweeping staircase to the 2nd story. Let's go ahead and take a look at the adjoining kitchen. So as we come into what I would call the main living area of this home, we have a great open kitchen, beautiful tile countertops, nice center island, stainless steel appliances, a lot of counter space, a pantry, a breakfast nook, so you have 2 dining areas, the formal dining room, and then here in the breakfast area. Then you have your adjoining family room. This is a nice area. Everyone here can be in the kitchen or in the family room. And this all looks out into the private backyard. Let's go take a look at the adjoining bedroom downstairs. So down the hallway, we have the secondary full bathroom with a tub, laundry room with a sink, and the downstairs bedroom, which is a nice size with a single door. Let's go take a look upstairs. As I walk through the door through the primary suite, the first thing I say is, wow, this is a large space, high volume ceilings, large windows, the adjacent bathroom with dual vanities, a nice Roman soaking tub, separate shower, large walk-in closet. This is a great suite to be in. Let's go take a look at the rest of the bedrooms. So as we walk down the hallway, we have bedrooms number 3, 4, and 5, a secondary bathroom with a dual vanity, a large living area, and the nice workstation, which can be a loft, a workstation, workout room. This floor plan is my favorite because it not only has the 5 bedrooms with a downstairs bedroom, but this extra loft. Let's go ahead and take a look downstairs in the backyard. Hi, so here we are in the backyard, large, private, pool size, great for entertaining. So if you want a 5 bedroom, 3 bath home with a loft, a downstairs bedroom and bath, and a great area of Foothill Ranch, please give us a call at Tim Morissette Group, 949-412-2233. Take care, be safe.